Dear students, let's solve this question. The question is, determine the rational numbers a and b if this value is equal to a plus b under root 3. Let's solve it. We write this value under root 3 minus 1 over under root 3 plus 1 plus under root 3 plus 1 over under root 3 minus 1, that is equal to a plus b under root 3. In that step, we take LCM of this value, so the LCM will be under root 3 plus 1 into under root 3 minus 1. So when we divide this LCM with this one, so this will be cancelled with this one, and the remaining value is this, so it will be multiplied with this, and it will give us under root 3 minus 1, because this is under root 3 minus 1 and this one is under root 3 minus 1, so it will become under root 3 minus 1 whole square plus, same case is here, if we divide this whole value with this one, we will get this one, and this will multiply with this under root 3 plus 1 whole square. So here is a plus b under root 3. Now by expanding these squares, it will give us under root 3 whole square plus 1 square minus 2 under root 3, and same is here, plus under root 3 whole square plus 1 plus 2 under root 3, and divided by, this will become, look here, under root 3 plus 1 under root 3 minus 1. Here we will apply the formula a plus b into a minus b, that will be equal to a square minus b square. So here we can write this under root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square, and here is a plus b under root 3. Okay, here you see that we can cancel this with this one, so the square root will be cancelled with square. Here we can cancel this, so 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1, so 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7 and plus 1 8. We can write it 8 by, this will be cancelled with this one, so 3 minus 1, this will give us 2, and here is value a plus b under root 3. This can be cancelled like this, 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8, so here answer is 4 is equal to a plus b under root 3. Here we again write it like this, 4 plus 0 is equal to a plus b under root 3. Sorry, here we can write it again, this 4 is equal to a and 0 is equal to b under root 3, so 4 is equal to a, okay, this is value for a, and here we can write it as 0 is equal to b under root 3, and if we simplify this, so it will become, if we divide both the sides with under root 3, so this under root 3 will be cancelled from here and 0 will be divided by under 3, so that will become 0, so it will give us b is equal to 0. So our answers are a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 0.